What if you never had to sweep, mop, or worry about pet hair again? Most people waste hours every week cleaning, only to do it all over again tomorrow. But here's what nobody tells you. The mess isn't the problem. Your old routine is. If you've got pets, kids, or just a life that never slows down, you know the struggle. Let me ask, how many hours have you spent this month cleaning up messes? That come right back? Stay with me because what I'm about to show you could give you that time back, starting today. Millions of smart homeowners have already upgraded to hands-off cleaning. The reviews? Off the charts. The Roomba Combo 10 Max is a game changer for busy families, pet owners, and anyone who's done with daily chores. Meet the robot that does it all. Vacuuming, mopping, emptying, even cleaning itself. No more tangled hair, no more sticky floors, no more, I'll do it later. It's all handled, automatically. Check this out. Dual rubber brushes and powerful suction. Sucks up everything from pet hair to popcorn. Auto mop feature scrubs and dries. No streaks, no sticky spots. Smart app plus voice control. Alexa, clean the kitchen. Done. One Roomba equals less than 1 month of a pro cleaning service. Think about it. How much is your time worth? We tried to break it. Pet hair, muddy paws, cereal explosions. It handled everything, while we did literally nothing. What's the worst mess in your house? Drop it in the comments. I'll reply with how the Roomba handled ours. Real talk? Pet hair? Gone. Mopping? Surprisingly thorough for a robot. Setup? 5 minutes. Noise? Not whisper quiet, but my baby slept through it. Price? Not the cheapest, but you get what you pay for, and then some. Don't wait until your house is buried in pet hair or the deal's gone. Every day you keep the old routine is another hour wasted and another mess waiting. Imagine this. No more stress over surprise guests. No more, the floor's filthy. More playtime, more family time, more you time. And here's the thing, the Roomba Combo 10 Max is just the beginning. If you want a smarter home, peace of mind, and the best gear reviews, hit subscribe. Ready to reclaim your time and never sweep again? Tap the link below to see today's deal on the Roomba Combo 10 Max. And if you grab one, comment Team Clean. I'll shout you out in the next video.